this incredible group of San Diegans, the Board of Supervisors. It was just about 50 years ago, March 22nd, 1972, that President Richard Nixon signed into law a measure that amended the Old Americans Act of 1965 and established a national nutrition program for seniors aged 60 and older. And for 5 decades, these critical programs have delivered more than just nutritious meals to homebound seniors. They have helped in virtually every community across the county. The dedicated staff and volunteers who deliver these meals each week provide a vital life and a connection to their community and to our seniors. 10 million older Americans face hunger each year, and the National Senior Nutrition Program strengthens the safety net for adults at risk of homelessness. Here in San Diego County, 1 in 4 San Diegans experience homelessness is over the age of 55, and both Supervisor Anderson and myself recently participated in the annual point-in-time count where we saw the stories and we heard directly, and it motivates us to continue to drive our board in new directions. The way a society cares for their elders says a lot about that society. The way we value your life, the way we work to protect your life, the value that we give to our seniors across the board, whether we're talking homelessness, nutrition, or public health. It says a lot about who we are as a people, and we're here this morning to lift up the work Serving Seniors is doing, commemorate the 50th anniversary of this important legislation, and know that the last few years have been challenging. It's been intense. Paul was asked to do some pretty incredible things in exponential growth in a rapid period of time, but time and again, folks stepped up. They came together as a community to protect one another and look out for one another, and so we're thrilled to be here today to honor Serving Seniors, National Senior Nutrition Day, and recognize all the incredible work you do. And I will turn it over first to my colleague, Supervisor Anderson, and then to Paul.
Thanks. So Nathan said, would you like to go first? I thought, if I go first, then I have to say all those things. I'm let Nathan go first, and then all I have to say is thank you. Thank you, Paul. Thank you to your team. I know from my constituents how much we appreciate, and we saw over the last 2 years a 245% increase in meals being served to people in their homes. And if you weren't there, those folks would have fallen through the cracks. And so I'm grateful to you. I'm grateful to the organization. And with that, Nathan and I would like to give you this proclamation. Nathan, I'm going to let you come back up and read the last paragraph.
Thank you, Supervisor Anderson. Be it proclaimed by Chair Fletcher and all members of the Board of Supervisors on this 15th day of March 2022 that they commend Serving Seniors National Senior Nutrition Program Day throughout the County of San Diego in recognition of this milestone, and through the leadership role of Serving Seniors San Diego are essential contributors to the protection of older adults throughout our region. Congratulations, Paul, and your whole team.
Thank you very much, Chairman Fletcher, Supervisor Anderson, and the entire board. I'm joined, actually, this is the Serving Seniors Walking Group, and so to make you all feel guilty, they walked over from our site at 4th and Beach, and they walked back before lunch. So I'm glad that they're all here to help celebrate. But I also want to acknowledge San Diego County, and particularly the Board of Supervisors and Aging and Independent Services. Serving Seniors was the first senior nutrition program 50 years ago, shortly after the Older Americans Act was enacted. And we've been a contractor for 50 years. We've served over 14 million meals during that time. And as Supervisor Anderson noted, we had a 245% increase since the pandemic began. We've served over 3 million meals since March of 2020. We're on track by June of this year, for this fiscal year, to serve another 1.5 million. And our phones are ringing every day for more seniors who are looking for meals. I would say maybe the only good thing that has come from the last 2 years in this pandemic has been that more and more older adults have recognized the value of these meals, and so they receive them, and they're finding that there are the health benefits associated with them, and that has been the key throughout this program. We've got studies that show good nutrition for older adults, for folks with health challenges, and frankly for all of us, is critically important to staying out of the hospital, out of the ICU, out of long-term care. And so these meals keep people in their homes and keep them healthy, able to enjoy their lives, as you can see by the walking group that is joining. So this is something that Surfing Seniors is proud of, but San Diego County and the Board of Supervisors should be very proud of as well, because it has been a 50-year collaboration. I suspect in 50 more years we'll be celebrating the 100th anniversary, because this program is so important. So we're grateful for this recognition. Thank you to the board, and thanks to all of my friends who are with me this morning. Thank you.